Let's follow me how to make ninja elements like this. First, I will prepare the background. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Make rectangle. And rotate. Press A, select the corner and drag up. Make rectangle again for handle. Make ellipse. Go to object and make offset path. Use shape builder and make it like this. Make line using pen tool. Fill color with no outline. Go to Effect, Stylize, Inner Glow. Change to black color, and normal mode. Fill color the handle. Change to non-stroke. Add a horizontal line. Go to Effect, and Transform. Fill the copy value and vertical value. Select the line, object, and expand appearance. Selection, shape builder, and click on all section. Fill gradient color. Change stroke to none. Press I to copy gradient. Press G, turn in darker. Group. Add drop shadow effect. Now you can copy this. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.